So what is going to be the exam pattern of SNAP 2022? SNAP 2022 is going to have 3 sections: general English, analytical and logical reasoning, quantitative, data interpretation, and data sufficiency. The sections are going to have the following number of questions. General English will have 15 questions. You will get 1 mark per correct answer and 0.25 minus marks per negative answer. Analytical and logical reasoning will have 25 questions, 1 mark per correct answer, minus 0.25 for every wrong answer. Quantitative, data interpretation and data sufficiency will have 20 questions, again with 1 mark for every correct answer and 0.25 negative marks for every wrong answer. The paper is going to be for 60 marks and it will go on for 60 minutes. Remember, SNAP is primarily a time-based exam. So the faster you solve your questions with the more accuracy, higher the chances of you getting a good percentile. For any further questions that you may have, please call on the numbers in the caption or click on the link in the bio. Wish you all the very best. Bye-bye.